Welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to analyze quadratic equations using the discriminant. So the discriminant is the expression under the radical in the quadratic formula. That would be b squared minus 4ac. And the value of this expression, once simplified, will determine the types of solutions that a quadratic equation can have. So let's look at our first example where we have x squared minus 2x plus 26 is equal to 0. We see here that the value of a is equal to 1, the value of b is negative 2, and the value of c is 26. So let's go ahead and analyze the discriminant. Again, that's b squared minus 4ac. So in this case, it's going to be negative 2 quantity squared. Very important that you put that in parentheses when written and also when you use your calculator. Minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 26. Now we simplify this expression to get a value, and so we get positive 4 minus 104, then the difference there is going to be negative 100. Since the value of the discriminant is less than 0, this tells us that there are two complex solutions. And those two complex solutions will contain the imaginary part because in the quadratic formula, you will be taking the square root of negative 100, which results in 10i. Let's look at the second example where we have a leading coefficient or value of a that is 1, a value of b that is negative 1, and a value of c that is negative 42. Again, using the discriminant, we have b squared minus 4ac, which is equal to negative 1 quantity squared. Again, don't forget the parentheses. Minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 42. Negative 1 quantity squared is 1, and we have negative 4 times 1 times negative 42, which is going to be plus 168. Find the sum, and we get 169. Because the discriminant is positive, this tells us that there will be two unique real solutions. So unique being that they will not be the same. Now the third case that is not illustrated in either of these two examples is what if the b squared minus 4ac value is equal to 0? Well, when it's equal to 0, this tells us that there is one real solution that we would say is a repeated solution or has a multiplicity of 2. And really those are the three cases. So it's either negative, which means there are two complex solutions that contain the imaginary part. It is positive, which means there are two unique real solutions, or it's 0, which means that there is one real solution that is repeated or has a multiplicity of 2. All right, guys, good luck.